When it comes to cooking, a good electric griddle is a staple for every kitchen. In today's video, we consider quality, features, and value to bring you our picks for the top 7 best electric griddles available now. Let's get started. Number 7. Budget Pick. Bella Electric Griddle with Warming Tray. This affordable electric griddle from Bella is a very good option for individuals or those on a budget. It features a 1500-watt heating system and a 10 by 18-inch non-stick cooking surface that can cook up to 8 pancakes or eggs at the same time. It even includes a slide-out warming tray to keep your food hot while you work on the next batch. When you're finished, it's easy to clean since the cooking surface and drip tray are both removable and submersible. Number 6. Presto 07061 22-inch Electric Griddle. We like this griddle from Presto because it's easy to use and suitable to feed a whole family. It's a very simple non-stick griddle that not only does a great job cooking up all the favorites, but also has a generous cooking area of 231 square inches. It also has a heavy cast iron aluminum base, and when it comes time to clean, you can remove the heat control and fully immerse the griddle. All you have to do is open the latch clips to remove the handles from the griddle surface. Number 5. Elite Gourmet EG6203 Extra Deep Non-Stick Electric Skillet. Easy to cook on and even easier to clean, the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep Non-Stick Electric Skillet is a great option for someone who cooks a variety of different foods. The marbleized honeycomb non-stick material is more durable than typical no-stick surfaces, making cooking food mess-free and cleaning up quick as well. It has a tempered glass lid that locks in moisture and flavor, and a thick cast aluminum material coated with a black lacquer finish makes it durable and resistant to warping and even rusting. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Raclette Table Grill. We like this unique grill from Hamilton Beach because it can get a lot done without needing a large amount of space. This electric table grill has a large 200 square inch non-stick griddle and grill surface, which sits above 8 heat-resistant warming trays that allow you to warm individual servings, sauces, condiments, or sides as you cook. The grill and griddle are ideal for searing shrimp, meat, and veggies at higher heats than the condiment dishes below, giving you total control over what you're cooking, so the possibilities are endless. Number 3. Wolfgang Puck XL Reversible Grill Griddle. Can't decide between a grill or a griddle? Why not both? Versatile and convenient, the Wolfgang Puck XL Reversible Grill Griddle is a unique 2-in-1 option with a griddle on one side and a grill on the other. It has 1800 watts of power that heats very evenly over a good-sized 207 square inch cooking surface, so you can make food for up to 8 people at a time. Both of the surfaces are non-stick to allow for easy use during cooking and cleaning. The drip tray and cooking plate are both removable and dishwasher safe too. Number 2. Zojirushi EA DCC10 Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle. This 1800-watt electric griddle is a simple and straightforward option with a professional look that's perfect for any kitchen counter. It has a large cooking surface that measures 19 inches by 12.5 inches in size, giving you plenty of options and plenty of room to cook. It's also very well made and durable due to its ceramic cooking surface that's enhanced with a titanium non-stick coating. It's easy to clean as well, thanks to the fully immersible cooking plate and bodyguard. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Broil King PCG-10 Professional Portable Non-Stick Griddle. If you're looking for something special for your kitchen, the Broil King PCG-10 Professional Portable Non-Stick Griddle is a restaurant-style griddle with ample space to cook all of your favorite foods. It features a large 252 square inch non-stick cooking surface and a removable stainless steel backsplash that prevents splattering while also directing grease down into the grease runoff area. The temperature is consistent throughout the surface while the handles remain cool to the touch. The grease tray is removable and the base is immersible once the temperature probe has been removed. Still need a little more help deciding on the best electric griddle for your kitchen? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.